how to share TradingView template. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to, of course, open our TradingView in our website. So I'm currently on the tradingview.com. So just search it on your search bar. And then once you're now here, just make sure that you are logged in into your account. Now, once you do that, you will be in this page. Now, the next thing that we need to do is to look for the indices, stocks, or crypto that we want to share. Now, let's say, for example, that we want to share the indices of S&P 500. So what we're going to do here is to just click on that. And then once you click that, you will be redirected right here. And then once you're now here, just click full chart, which is right here. So just click on that. And then you will be redirected into this part. Now, the next thing that we need to do is to just go here on the upper right corner of the screen, and then you will see this drop down option. So just click on that. And then once you click that, you will see this sharing, which is right here. So the next thing that we need to do is to make sure that it is turned on so that we can share our template. So just once you turn it on, what we're going to do next is to just copy the link, which is right here. And then once we have copied it, you can now send it to another person. So you can send it through email, through Messenger, and so on. And then once they click the link, they will be redirected into this page also. So that is basically it. So once again, that is how to share TradingView template.